Okay, come on. Let's go get the baby. Where's the baby? Is she in the baby bed? Is she in the baby bed? Okay, let's go see. Come on. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm coming. Okay. We're in the dark hallway. There we go. Okay. Where's the baby? There's the baby. Balls? Grandma took all your toys downstairs today. Okay, get the other one. Can you press the button? Can you turn it on? Here it comes. Oh. Where did those balls go? I guess you're going to have to turn it on again. That's a girl. There. Did you get all three? Watch where you're stepping. Here. Look. There they went. Is that ball stuck in there again? Well, take your arm out, Liddy, and it'll go. There we go.